Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting recovery now. First, power off and unplug extra devices to avoid interference. Note the exact error text so you can track fixes. Insert or prepare a Windows Recovery USB or use the built-in Advanced Startup. Once done, force the PC into recovery by holding Shift and selecting Restart or pressing the manufacturer key like F11. You need to get to the Troubleshoot menu. This exposes Startup Repair, Safe Mode, and command tools that let us repair boot files and inspect errors. Now run Automated Startup Repair. It may solve corrupt boot configuration without more work. If that fails, open Command Prompt from Advanced Options and run chkdsk/f on the system drive to fix file system errors, then sfc/scano to repair protected files. Use bootrec/fixember/fixboot and /rebuild to rebuild boot records. Once commands finish, examine CBS and boot logs to find persistent driver or disk issues, so you know whether to replace hardware or adjust drivers before proceeding. Finally, choose a restoration path. Try System Restore first to roll back recent changes, and if that's unavailable, reset this PC to reinstall Windows while keeping or removing files. Make sure to back up important data via a recovery USB before any destructive steps. If reset or reinstall fails, test RAM with memtest and check drive Smart Health. Swap SATA or power cables and try a different port. If hardware is bad, replace the failing component. One tip: keep a copy of the original BC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.